G'day everyone, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group with another weekly real estate market update. Hope you're having a great day. It is December, only about 23 or so sleeps until Christmas. Very exciting time of the year. The markets are still pumping along in the southern states, and actually CoreLogic last week reported one of the busiest auction weeks on record since 2008, with over 4,200 homes going under the hammer. However, what that means is more choice has come to the market. There's more properties being listed, particularly in those southern states, Sydney, Melbourne, New South Wales, Victoria, and that is giving buyers a lot more choice. So that is actually reducing the auction clearance rate. And this week nationally, it was reduced down to 71.4%, which is still very favorable for many sellers, but we can see a trend of decline, or I should say a slowing market. Sydney in the month of November recorded a property price rise of 0.9%. Now, this is down from 1.5% in October and down from about a 2.5% average for the rest of the year in 2021. Melbourne, on the other hand, reported a 0.6% growth in the month of November, which is down from the previous month of 1% and the yearly average of 1.5%. Now, Queensland, on the other hand, is doing extraordinary things. We've actually seen in November property prices rise a further 2.9%. Now, last month, I think it was reported that they rose 2.5%. This month, 2.9%. So I don't know what that means for December. Will we see a continuing strong market in Queensland? Well, I guess it depends on who you ask. We're certainly seeing a lot of buyer interest in Queensland properties. Reports from realestate.com highlight that the number of for sale searches in Queensland is well above the averages of many other states. That means there's a lot of people looking around. The borders are just about to open. The 17th of December, watch this date. I think we'll have an influx of buyer inquiry and people coming up this way looking to purchase properties here in Queensland and definitely on the Sunshine Coast. Now, while property new listings have increased in those southern states, and even in Brisbane over the last month, they've risen by 7.4%. So the amount of new properties coming to the market, this is still well below the averages, which is said to be 33.9% over the 5-year period in the Brisbane marketplace. So yes, properties are on the rise. There's more listings coming to the market, and that will change that equation over the next few months. We expect as soon as more listings come to the market, total listings available will be there. And that means buyers will have a little less urgency and a little bit more room to negotiate with any properties that they have interest in. So guys, there's a lot of interesting activity here. I think once those borders open, it'll be a great time to sell. There's really a lack of properties for sale here on the Sunshine Coast. There's been very few properties coming to the market in our local area, and a lot of them are still being snapped up fairly quickly. We've just listed a lovely acreage property here in Palmwoods, 1.5 acres, gorgeous, usable block, fertile land. It's got one of the biggest sheds that I've had on a property this year. It's about 22 by 10 meters in size with very high ceilings, perfect for those car enthusiasts, or if you've got big camper vans or anything like that, it's great. It's got a dam on the property. We have an open home there this weekend, so come check it out. That's 153 Chevallum Road here in Palmwoods. Guys, got a lot of buyers looking in the marketplace, anything from entry-level properties, 600,000 to 700,000 range, up to those 4, 2 and 2 residential homes in the 8 to 1 million range. And then we've got plenty of buyers looking for acreage lifestyle properties, anything from 1 to 2 million and sometimes even above. If there's anything we can help you with this week or in the future, please give me a call. Leigh from Martinuzzi Property Group. We'll talk soon.